Huron, Michigan. Hey guys, there's a an eastbound train coming. Departing 10 yards, so gates should go down. It's coming. That signal's all red because the eastbound's moving. Cool, I haven't seen an eastbound here in a while. Finally get to see an eastbound here. Coming. I like the new crossing bells, you know, the sound. You're gonna snack it. There we go. They always seem to go down early for the eastbound, you know, cause the tunnel, you know. That's what I'm thinking. Kinda interesting. Alright, here comes. Hello. Like it's got 2 or 3 engines. It looks like 2 or 1. I can't tell. But the light, it's hard. It's coming pretty quick. Comes. Huron, Michigan. That was a big westbound too. Alright, Huron, Michigan. I think 2 or 3, huh? I think it's just 2. I can't tell. There you go, buddy. Boy, I will, hang on. Sorry, here it comes. Might be the M384. Might be real late, you know. Could be. There goes. Not sure what train it says yet. It could have been from Mount Clemens, I don't know. Might have been from Mount Clemens or Bridge northbound, but going in the tunnel right now. Nice. Alright. You know what? It might be an M384. It is. We're seeing an M384 northbound train. Really late and early, you know? That's what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah. I think it's M384. Because I see flatbeds, you know? There's autographs coming. Yeah, this one's in northbound. I think so. We'll find out after we get train in, but I think it's a northbound train. Yeah. Think you're right. Yep, seeing M384 northbound train, I can tell. That's a long. Oh, it's okay. Sorry. There's the yellow autograph. I can tell it might be northbound. Yeah. remember, when you're filming, you want to get a good video. You don't want to talk too much, because I like to talk. I know. There goes Huron, Michigan. It's going fast now. Huron, Michigan.